Okay, well, it's actually 6 o'clock, maybe a few minutes after. And I was sitting in there bored, and I came out here to take a look at this bike. And I started up here in the headlight and said, okay, where does the tail light, and why is there no tail light back there? It starts up here with the light switch up there and goes in here and comes out there. And I started checking all the intermediate places, and I said, it's got to have it. It has to have ignition back there. So I checked all of these, and I worked my way on back, and I ripped these wires out over here, and I checked them all, and ignition was there, and I'm just going absolutely crazy because everything's where it's supposed to be. So finally I took this taillight assembly apart, and these wires were so corroded that they were falling out of the connectors. So right now, if I turn this to lights, we have taillight. And if I hold this back here while I touch the brake, hopefully you can see the brake. Okay. And maybe even with the front brake. There you go. So I hope you can see that. Anyway, I'm just going to button this back up. Corrosion strikes again.